In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add user stories in Clickup. To begin, make sure you are in your Clickup workspace and looking at the main overview area for your team space. This is a good starting point because it lets you access tools that apply across your space, including templates and saved setups you can reuse for consistent work. From the overview screen, find and click on Templates. Templates are useful because they let you create a ready-made structure for tracking work, instead of building everything from scratch. This can be especially helpful when you want user stories to follow a predictable format and move through a clear workflow. In the Templates area, locate and click on the Help Desk ticket template. Even though it is labeled for help desk work, it can be adapted for user stories because it typically includes fields like priority, category, and status, which map well to product and development workflows. Next, click Use Template. This begins the process of adding that template into your space so you can work from it. When prompted to name or label what you are creating, type highlight. Keep the name consistent and easy to recognize so it is simple to find later, especially if your workspace contains many lists and boards. After you enter the name, click Use Template again to confirm. Clickup will then generate the template content for you. When the next naming field appears, type highlight again, matching the earlier label. This keeps your setup organized and avoids confusion when multiple views or lists are created. Once that is in place, click Highlight to open what you just created. Now you will switch into the working views where your user stories will live. Click on Ticket List to open the list view. This is where you can quickly scan stories, sort them, and manage details in a structured way. From here, click Ticket Priority. This is where you can review or set the priority field used to rank stories by urgency or impact. Click Ticket Priority again as needed to ensure you are viewing and working with the correct priority settings. Next, click Ticket Categories. Categories help group user stories by theme, feature area, or type of work, which makes planning and reporting much easier. Then click Ticket Status to view the workflow stages. Status is important because it defines how stories move from intake to completion. Finally, click Board to switch to a board view. This gives you a visual workflow where you can drag stories between statuses as work progresses. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.